So I'm going to be doing a lot of, I think, standard used car acquisition types of repairs and maintenance before we can even start thinking about some of the stuff that will get it a little off-road. So some of my favorite places will be the AutoZone, advanced auto parts here locally. I'm going to be looking on Amazon for cheaper parts or Rock Auto. I'm going to be scouring Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist for the parts that I need. I'm not going to be beholden to buying new parts. Gently used, previously loved parts are a welcome part of this build. I want to do it as cheaply as humanly possible. I actually want to see what it really takes to get into an overlanding rig, even a basic, cheap, and aged one like this.